everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mary Beth and I'm so happy you are here today. I have two Dollar Tree DIYs for you that are so much fun mostly using the tumbling tower blocks. So for this first one, I'm making a little riser and it was very, very easy. And all I did is I took two and glued them together vertically. And then I would take three. Right now I'm taking my silicone mat because I'm making a mess. I would take three and glue them horizontally. And then I'm going to combine these with that last one on the right vertically. So I'm going to put two vertical on the left. I'm going to attach those to the horizontal ones. And then the last one on your right hand side, that's vertical. I'm going to attach that. And we're going to make four, I think. Let me think. Hold up. How many do we make? Six. My apologies. We're going to make 6 of those. And then we're going to connect them. But notice that I'm going back and forth. So the first one is 2 vertical on the left. And then the next one is 1 vertical. And then 2. I hope this makes sense. But it's just like a little pattern that I put together. Although you could do any pattern you want. So I'm going to connect those 3. I'm going to connect the next set that are 3. And then I'm going to connect them together to make one riser. I'm then going to stain them. I'm using truffle mixed with water, which I'll use throughout this video quite a bit. And then I have this cute little glass jar that I got at Dollar Tree. And I'm going to paint it in this color called, I believe it's called Whisper from Decor. Is that correct? Yeah, I think so. Which I got that paint on clearance, by the way, at Hobby Lobby. Yeah, I'm going to sand this down first to try to get some of the hot glue off there. And then I'm just going to attach it. Oh, I apologize. I'm also going to put some flat wooden beads around it just to kind of decorate it up a bit. And I did get those off Amazon. I think I have them listed, but if not, I will list them below. So sit back, enjoy, and I will catch up with you in just a little bit.
Close your eyes, get out of your skin. Only this matters, let it in. If I could, I would be right here with you. In this world of ticking clocks, I hope I'm getting through. So close your eyes, do you feel the same? Only thing that matters when...
Okay, so you can see now I use that Whisper color. So pretty. I'm just going to put a little bit of twine around this, and then I am going to attach it to the middle of the riser with some clear Gorilla Glue, a combo of that and hot glue. All right, I'd like to take a moment to welcome you to my channel. If you are new, I would love for you to join my little YouTube family. And if you are an existing subscriber, you already know I'm so, so grateful for you. And thank you for your support. So Please leave a comment. I love interacting with each and every one of you. That would be awesome. Anyway, all right, so I just went ahead and glued that, and there it is. It was very simple, but I think it's so cute. I absolutely love it. And yeah, let me know what you think about it. All right, so for this next one, I'm so excited about this one because I made 4 coasters, which are very simple, but I made a box to put them in, which was really a lot of fun. Anyway, I am using Jenga blocks. They're a little bit longer and thicker. However, you easily could do this with the little Jenga blocks from Dollar Tree. So it's pretty self-explanatory. You can see here how I'm putting them together, and then I will stain them as well with that same exact mixture that I used on the riser. And then I'm going to take some macrame cord and just go around the perimeter outside of the coaster, each one of them 3 times. And then I'll catch back up with you for the box. Oh, I just love it. It's so exciting. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so I took my miter, is that what it's called, box saw, and cut 4 pieces. There's 2 that are longer because it's kind of a rectangle shape like the coasters. So and it would be different if you use different size Jenga blocks. So, but anyways, so the 2 short are the bottom and top, I guess, and then the 2 long ones on the side. So I'm using a little bit of this wood glue that I did get at Tractor Supply and some hot glue to put it together. So very simple, just putting a box together. And then I pulled out my Brad nail gun, whatever you call it. But I'm using the staples. First time I ever used this, I was so proud of myself. Oh my gosh, it was so much fun. So I'll be using this a lot more in my DIYs. It was so much fun. But just to double secure it right after the wood glue and the hot glue. So yeah, I'm just putting this together. Well, then I figured out, oh my goodness, I need a bottom to this. So what I did is I took more of those little Jenga blocks from Dollar Tree. I believe those are the ones I used. And I made a little bottom to this, but I made it wider, the perimeter wider than the box, just to, I don't know, dress it up a bit. And then you'll see I'll use, again, a little bit of macrame cord to match the coasters, just to wrap around the top, and then I'll wrap it around the bottom of the box, which is like, you'll see here in between the box and the platform, I guess, of the bottom. So there I am. I think I do 9. I do 2 rows of 9, and then I do this 1 row at the top, which are 2 going horizontal, 3 sets of those, you'll see here. And then I'll use that same stain color that I've used. Yeah, so lots of fun. All right, enjoy. I'll be back in just a few.
I've been running round in circles, chasing my tail and lost my way, seeking shelter in different corners, never finding a place to stay. Somehow ended up here on the ground. Brother, help me up, I've fallen down. I know that I'll hurt the ones that I hold dear, the ones I love.
Okay, there it is. I just really enjoyed this project. I really hope that you try it. Let me know in the comments how you like it and if you will try it. Thank you again. I really appreciate your time, and we will talk to everyone soon. Bye-bye.